Yeah.
Lambo, faster, Nasdaq, making that money like Elon Musk. FX, Forex, big money, T-Rex, any which way we making a green. That's what they say, me and my G's, we work as a team. That's what they say, yeah. Tiger, meta, trader, MP5. I got a chart at an all-time high. I got blue, green, yellow, black, yeah. Tell me which one you want, yeah. I got the Lambo, G-Wagon, Lambo. Off roll on you, gon' stack Rambo, yeah. You niggas joking, you niggas bleed. Keep pushing that beat. Yeah, just show me the way, no waste that beat. Just give me the light, give me the what? Give me the light, yeah. Just give me the light about that life, yeah. You know how it is, yeah. Chart looks green, my eyes turn red. Making lots of investments, we ain't wasting beat. I keep making that paper, I make it from my bed. Finger on the trigger, my panic.
Okay, guys, so how's it going, guys? Yeah, a good Friday, nice today, week ending. How's it going, guys? How's it going? How's it going, guys? So, just write where you're watching us from. Just write where you're watching us from. So, as you're joining up, just write where you're watching us from. Okay. So, as you're joining up, guys, just write where you're watching us from. Somebody's talking about NFP. There's no NFP today. Yeah. There's no NFP today, guys. Okay. So guys, just write where you're watching us from. Where are you watching us from, guys? Just write where you're watching us from. Okay. All right. Excuse me. Okay. Guys, where are you watching us from? And then as you're joining up, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Let me quickly share this now with those in a public channel so that everyone can quickly just join up. And if you are not part of our public channel, just check the link in the description box. And before we start trading, just quickly check the link in the description box to register with our broker now. Just quickly check to register with the recommended broker while I quickly alert everyone in the public channel that we are live now. Okay. Okay. All right. So share that now in our public channel. So now I guess we're ready to push, right? Let's go. Let's go. So we're having okay, we're having Peter from South Africa, Babatunde from Nigeria, Michael from Nigeria, Kashmir from India, Yongia from Nepal, Abubakar from Pakistan, Oras from South Africa. Okay, Roland from the UK, Elijah from Nigeria, Smith from Nigeria, Joseph from Kenya. Okay, we're having a lot of guys with us. Having a lot of guys. Nelios from Kenya, HPS from Afghanistan. Okay, Sparkle from the UK, Manny from Spain, Maxwell from Canada, Rexa from Nigeria, Jamel from Ghana, Emmanuel from Ghana. Okay, so having a lot of guys with us. Tashan from London, having a lot of guys. Ankor from India. Okay, guys, let's look through the charts now. Let's look through the charts because we don't know how long our trades are going to last. So it only just makes sense to already be going into our trades. By the way, we're having a trade that is running currently. Let's see. I think okay, it's visible to you, right? Yeah. So on this trade, I think we're running. Let's see how much currently. No, this is the wrong account. Okay, so this is running about 36K currently. And funny enough, this is heading towards our second take profit. Heading towards our second take profit. Okay, let's just quickly look at gold. Let's see what we're having on gold. Let's see if we can join up the trade with those in the private channel. For those in the private channel, they're actually on the move, almost hitting second take profit. Let's see if there's a zone we can go into this trade from. Let's see if there's a zone. Guys, you know how it goes. No wasting of peeps, guys. No wasting of peeps. Okay. So we can join this trade without too much talk. Without too much talk. Let's just join up on this trade without talking too much. There's no point in talking if we can just join up. So those in the private channel, they're already in this trade. Those in the private channel are already in this trade. So just target around the range just like this. Let's go with 1.55. So this 1.55, oh wait, that was like, hold up, it's supposed to get 5,070, right? 5,070, and we're looking at 5,051. Okay, let's just drop down a little bit. Let's go on exactly 1.5. And let's crash this a little bit more also, just to around this range. Good. So this is like 1.58 that we're targeting, 1.58. And then our first take profit will just be around this region. There's no need to talk much. Let's just trigger a trade already. And then our second take profit will be just around this region. And then our third take profit will be looking at something like this. Okay, so this is what we're targeting. And then of course our ACL will just be around this region. Okay. So these are all of our positions, a take profit at ACL, right? Without talking much, that's just the zone that we'll be looking at. So now, guys, what other charts do you want to check out? What other chart? You know, guys, I told you that one of these days we are going to start a live trading session, and I won't ask you because I know if I ask it to just be gold. Remember, I told you one of these days we'll just start up and I'll head straight to gold and we'll just look at gold and go into a trade, right? And on this particular trade, by the way, we're already in on the private channel. This, let me see. It's this stop. Did it stop retrace or anything? Well, still around that range, just about 35K. What is visible, you can see the trade that's running. You can see the trade. We'll be holding this trade for a while, actually. We'll be holding this trade for a while. We've been holding it since morning, actually. We hit first take profit, in the morning or so, at least on GMT plus 3. And we've just been waiting since then for second take profit. Remember, that was how our last trade, that was what happened on our last trade, come to think of it. That was what happened. Like, guys, you remember that trade from, was it this week? It was this week, right? The trade we went into on Monday or Tuesday or something. Yeah, it was on Monday. Yeah, when that trade wasted a lot of our time. We even went live here also that day. The trade wasted a lot of time. We kept waiting. Second take profit was hit. It was now left with like a third take profit. And then it was like 2 points away from our third take profit. Those are in a private channel. In fact, if you're in a public channel, I also posted it there, right? So you know also on a free channel. So it was just like this, just about 2 points. And then just hitting like the 2 points took like a lot of time, right? A lot of time. So guys, before you start taking the trade, check in the description box there. Check in the description box and just quickly register with the recommended broker. Just quickly do that before going into the trade, since we're still on break even. Just quickly go into the trade. Just quickly register with the broker. Since, well, we're not exactly on break even again, but quickly register with the broker. And someone messaged support today saying that that person was from the free channel, but it's fine. But what I noticed is that the spread on that person's chart was crazy, right? The spread was crazy. So I don't know how that person makes profit, like trading like that. Like, I have no idea how that person makes profit trading like that. Like, I have no idea. Because the spread on that stuff was crazily dangerous. The spread was dangerous. Yeah, you dropped that stuff. Oh, it's not here, right? Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so the spread on that thing was pretty dangerous. So because of that, I was like, bro, bro, like what are you doing? You just enjoy like donating money to brokers or what? I was like, bro, do you enjoy just donating money to brokers, or I'm getting something wrong here? Like, okay, guys, what chart do you want to check out? We don't want to look at too many charts today. I think a subscriber sent a message saying that it's easier if we just focus on like 1-2 charts, right? That it's, I don't know if the person is speaking for everyone, of course. Just tell you what the person said, right? So he said it's better focusing on just 1-2 charts while we're trading live, right? Because in real life, well, we basically major just trade on gold, right? Most of all of our trades are just on gold and others on Nasdaq and sometimes US30, right? Yeah, so it was like we can just trade like that the way we trade in real life also. Yeah, said the majority of people are trading that. It was actually a long email. It was an email actually, like very long email. Like, I was like, okay, it's fine. Let's see if others agree with that. Fine, but if others don't agree, maybe others want us to still check different multiple charts and go into the trades like differently like that. We might as well just do that, right? But guys, what do you think? That was just an email from someone. What do you guys think? You think we should check out other charts, or there's really no point? Let's just stick with someone is asking what we are trading on. You don't know what we're trading on. Okay, let me drag this to the front. You don't know what we're trading on. So this is gold, right? Okay. So that's it. Technically, that's it. Now, for NFP, guys, wait, by the way, I said suggest a different chart that you want to check out, guys. What chart do you want to check out? Let's see if we can have at least 2 charts. That's not like very bad. Not very bad. And guys, remember, Okay. Yeah. Guys, remember, mentorship costs 100. The registration is still on. Registration is still on, just in case. So, yeah, just 100 slots available. Slots are getting occupied already pretty fast. So, yeah, guys. Okay, so some guys are saying we should stick to gold. Now I'm getting messages now. Now I'm seeing a message. Some guys are saying we should stick to gold. Guys are saying we should check other charts. Right? That means we should disregard what that email that that person sent. Right? Some are even requesting for silver, that we should trade silver also along with gold, like both of them. Okay, what else? What else? Let's see what the guys are saying again. How long does it take to withdraw? It's pretty easy, extremely easy to process your withdrawals, right? Extremely easy. You don't have issues there regarding withdrawals, right? So something you can easily just process, right? Something you can easily just process, right? Okay, okay. All right. So how's it now? How's it now? Okay, guys, if you want us to check out other charts, if you want us to check out other charts, write yes. If you want us to stick only to gold, write no. Now I'm doing this because someone sent a comprehensive email. So if guys say no, uh okay, wait. Do you want us to check out other charts? If you want us to check out other charts, write yes. If you don't want us to check out other charts, we should stick only to gold, right? Or at least just two charts at max, right? No, right? Now I'm going to look at the ratio between yes and no, because the fact that the person sent the comprehensive email, it means that, remember guys, I told you this year it's when we're trading live, provided we're trading live, whatever traders, whatever the majority says is what you are going to do. It makes no sense doing only what one person or two people want and others are just looking, right? Okay, so if majority are saying we should check other charts, then might as well, right? Yeah, but if majority are saying no, then, well, we'll just stick to one chart to follow what everyone is saying. Okay, guys, should we stick to just one chart or should we check out other charts? If you want us to check out other charts, write yes. If you don't want us to check out other charts, you want us to stick only to gold, write no. Let's see. I'm repeating, you want us to check out other charts, yes. You want us to stick only to gold, not check any other chart, right? No. I think I've repeated it. Yeah, I think I repeated that enough, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. We'll work with what everyone requests. That's as simple as that. Work with majority, yeah. Pretty reasonable doing that. Okay. Now I'm seeing quite some yeses. I'm seeing some no's also, but let's see which one is no, no, yes, yes. Well, I can see quite a lot of no's also, and I can see quite a lot of yes. Guys, as you're joining up, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Okay. Guys, I think I can see pretty much a lot of yes and a lot of no's also. And now I'm not very sure at this point. This is the point where you're not really sure how many yeses we're having. Okay. Okay. I think we might have more yes. I think we might have more yeses or more yes stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Okay, someone is saying we should do a poll. Someone is saying we should do a poll. Someone is saying we should do a poll. So guys, what do you think? What do you think? Let's just draft out the conclusion, and whatever we decide now is what to work with. Guys, as you're joining up, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Let me quickly check out my own trade while I'm trying to. Let me also check out my own trade and know how far. Okay, good. So second take profit has just been hit. So guys, right? Yes, if you want us to check out other charts, and no if you don't want. Let me quickly update those in the private channel. Just give me a moment, please. Well, I'll also update those in the free channel because I share the trade later on. So just a moment, guys. Just a moment. Yeah, that'll take profit. It has not been hit, right? Excuse me. So guys, give me just a second. Let me quickly update this, guys. We'll be together just a second. You know, the funny thing is, okay, guys, I'll be back in just I'll be back in like 30 seconds or so. In like 30 seconds. You see, my phone is, I'm having just like 2%. It happened the last time, right? I'm having just like 2%. And I want to drop update for those in the private channel because I think we're running just about how much? Almost 40K now, right? But then I can't do that because my phone battery is really bad now. It's really dead. So I have to recharge this phone. So you just give me 30 seconds. I'll pick up my charger and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, yeah, got it. Fully charged now, right? Okay, now let me drop the updates now that I'm supposed to drop, right? So, okay, so let me quickly drop the update, guys. But together, let me just quickly update, guys. That's a TP stop has not been hit. Guys, just hold up. I'm thinking we might run a poll. I'm thinking about that, but it's just easier doing a yes or no. But guys, just wait to do that. When we conclude, we just check out other charts or stick to go depending on what guys decide. But if you're coming late, this trade is still not too late. This is a pretty stable trade. I'm saying this in case you are just joining up now. So the trade is pretty stable. So in case you are just joining up, you can in case you are just joining up on this live session, you can still join up on the trade. It's not late. It's not late. At least not yet. Not yet. Not yet. All right, guys. I need one more minute, please. Sorry, just one more minute. Let me quickly just conclude on this, and yeah, we're good. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's it. I'm almost done. Let me just update this stuff and share to those in the public channel also, and we shoot from there. Okay. Okay, so well, Okay, I guess that's it. Then that's it. Okay. All right. So if you're in a public channel, you should see the message now. I'm dropping it there. Okay. So how? Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's go now. Let's go now. Let's go now. Someone say, okay. Let's see if we can run a poll. Let's see if we can run a poll. But guys, keep monitoring our trades there. Keep monitoring our trades. Keep monitoring our trades. Let's see. Start a poll. So I'm dropping a poll now. So guys, just quickly respond since we don't have too much time. I know we're already in a trade, but hold up. Hold up. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to quickly drop this poll. The results will determine if we check out other charts from today or if we stick to just this. So I'm dropping the poll now. Okay, so that's it. So you just have to say yes, or no. You just have to say yes or no. Okay, guys, I think the poll started. So guys, hit on yes or no. Let's proceed. Hit on yes or no. And if you're just joining us up, you can actually join up on the trade that's running, a running trade. You can actually join up. You can actually join up. So you can actually join up. Should we remain on XAUSD gold or check out other charts? I think that was a pretty straightforward question, right? So guys, just select that. Just by the way, as you're joining up, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Someone say, what about prop firms? Like, I don't understand. Like, what about prop firms? Like, I'm confused. Like, what are you asking? Like, that's Matthew, right? Matthew, please, if you can make your question like a bit clearer or something, will be great. Guys, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, it seems like, guys, the question is pretty clear. It says, the question is pretty clear there, right? It says, should we remain on XAUSD or check out other charts? You say yes if you agree. You say no if you don't. Should we run the poll again, guys? Should we run it again? It seems like some guys don't fully understand. Should we run the poll again, guys? Should we start again? Should we start again? Oh, it's multiple. Is that multiple? Is it multiple? Okay, guys, you know what we're going to do? Let's it's fine. You know what we're going to do? Let's check out other charts for today, right? Let's look at maybe like 2 more charts or 3 more charts or something, or maybe like 2 more, maybe, or let's just stick with like 2, 3 charts maximum. Let's do that today. Another day, we're going to check out the poll again. We'll run another poll since, let's say it's not decided today. Let's say it's not decided today. Let's say it's not decided. We'll run the poll another time, okay? We'll run it. It's not fully decided. So let's check out other charts today. Then next time, yeah. Next time we'll run the poll again. Okay, basically this is what we're still having on gold. Almost stopped on a festive profit, yeah. On a private channel, the one that's shared also now on a public channel, to take profits have already been hit. We're waiting for our TP3 on that. Waiting since morning. Okay, let's look at Nasdaq. Let's look at Nasdaq. Oh, guys, what chart do you want us to check out instead? What chart do you want us to check out? What chart? What chart do you want us to check out? Let's see. What chart? What chart? What chart do you want us to check out, guys? What chart? Okay, I think we're running 41K. It tapped on our second take profit and now it's retracing right on my stop, but it's okay. Yeah, on our live, yeah, it's yet to hit our first take profit, so don't be confused. I'm just monitoring the stuff on our private channel also. Like, that's trying to keep up. Guys, as you're joining up, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Excuse me. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's look at Nasdaq. I can see some Nasdaq here also. So let's look at Nasdaq because we rarely look at it, right? So let's fulfill the wish today. Let's look at Nasdaq. Okay, should I just use UJ here? Let me sacrifice UJ for this. Okay, US 100 Nasdaq. All right. So what are we having on Nasdaq? Let's check out our 4 hours. Having quite a lot of analysis here on our chart. Pretty strange. Okay, let's just remove all 6 joints. Okay. Well, for some reason, everything has been crashing. Okay. For some reason, everything has been crashing. Just give me a second. For some reason, everything has been crashing. That's a gold started crash. I think a gold started the crash or something, or BTC or something like. And then everything just started crashing. Funny enough, like BTC alone has lost over $500 billion. Like, just BTC alone, over $500 billion. You can just imagine that. Or if you check out this stuff now, you track it. The last time it was like around this region was like 21st of November. That was like about 3 months or so ago, right? Just roughly 3 months ago. And if you check for, let's say, BTC, the last time it was around 50 something thousand was, I think that was like 2024 or something. So everything somehow has just been crashing. Everything somehow has just been crashing. But then even at that, we can see our Nasdaq is still on an uptrend. The trend has not changed, right? Still on an uptrend, right? Okay. Now around this range, it has been consolidating, like pretty clear, right? It's been consolidating there. So let's see what our 1 hour time frame is showing us. Let's see what's it showing us. By the way, what's happening on our gold? Our gold has gone back to break even on a live here, meaning that on the private channel, it has actually retraced. I'm running about 36K now. I actually retraced a bit, but it's okay. Okay. So on 1 hour time frame, this is what we're having. Well, pretty fair. Pretty fair. If we check out our standard trend, you should notice it has pushed up towards our range here. Might be able to go into this trade on some buys, but the buys might not last. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Before I conclude on that, hold up. Let's look at don't worry, I know you might not see the entire chart for now, but it's fine. Just hold up. It's too small, right? I know, like, yeah, I know. I'm gonna zoom it again a little bit so you can see. Okay, pretty nice. Pretty nice. That was supposed to be a trap, but the trap wasn't trapping enough. But yeah, so this is what we're having. We can't buy yet because it can still crash towards the bottom. And I know naturally the instinct would be to sell, but over here we'll follow strict rules. We don't sell against a trend. We don't do that. That's why most of our trades you see are always buys, right? So we don't sell against trends here. If it's going up, we buy. If it's going down, only then we sell. But this is not going down yet. It's only just crashing. Fact is crashing doesn't mean it's now automatically a downtrend. So we can't sell it, right? We just have to wait. We just have to wait. Guys, what other chart should we check out? What other chart should we check out? What other chart should we check out, guys? What other chart? Guys, remember, as you're joining up, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. As you're joining up, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Okay. So guys, just be monitoring this US 100. Let's see if it pushes out of this zone. By the way, I didn't tell you that. So our US 100, let's see if it taps on this range or if it pushes above this range here. Right? So guys, just be monitoring this, be monitoring that just in case. On our gold, what's happening? Okay, our gold seems like it's finally heading towards our TP2. Yeah, it seems like it's finally heading towards our TP2. It's just that we had a bearish hammer there, so that might cause like a lot of delay, but we'll see how it goes. Guys, what chart should you check out next? Should you just go to US30 or something? Should you check out silver? Should you check out silver? Guys are saying silver. Guys, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Okay. Okay. Okay, should we just let's check out silver then. Let's check out silver. Let's check out silver. Let's check out silver first. Okay, let's see what's happening or what's going on silver. What's going on silver? Okay, what's going on silver? Okay. Guys, stay active, stay active. We might get a trade on silver. We might get a trade on silver. On our trade on gold, this way it is. It's heading towards our first take profit, at least on live here. I guess when it hits us, okay, we're already over TP2. Don't worry, don't worry. I almost forgot. So let's go back to silver. Okay. Let me just take this out. I think this was like, what was this actually? I don't even remember. Was this a live trading stop or something? I don't even remember. Okay, so this is what we're having. Let me just take these stops out for now. Okay, all right. First time frame. Okay, fine. Let me wipe. No, 11 drawings. Meaning I have some history on this stuff. Okay, don't worry. I'll leave it. I don't want to delete everything. Like I'll just leave it. Might need some of those stuffs later. Okay. Okay, this is what we're talking about on our last two or last three video, a build up mitigation. You can see it. That was what happened. Yeah, it tapped on it and instantly got rejected. So I think it's almost impossible for a build up mitigation to just like for charts to not just respect build up mitigation. It's not like it's not possible. It is. The problem is just that it's backed up as an institutional level. So because of that, uh, institutions are very easy to predict when it comes to their levels, right? It's very well, their fundamentals you can't, right? You don't know when someone is just going to put like $100 billion, but at least on their levels on the charts, yeah, they're pretty much consistent. So because of that, when a build up mitigation occurs, most of the time it just plays out like that. The only problem is patience. It takes a lot of time for the build up to get completed, and then it takes a lot of time for that chart to push towards the top or down, as the case may be, and then it takes a lot of time for it to be mitigated. That's just where the problem is. That's why even at that, it's not easy. You can't be watching your chart 24 hours, right? So that's it. Okay, so far so good. This is what we're having. Okay, run through into, okay, not bad. All right, let's see 1 hour time frame. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Not bad. First off, our standard around this range. Second stuff around this range. So I'm not really concerned about our standard. I'm more concerned about this. This is what I'm more concerned about. Our internal range just playing around this region. That's what I'm more concerned about. Aside from there, if you check out just a standard, wait, hold up, let's even see where is our normal standard going through? Where is it running? Yeah, it's running through around this range. So by the time it pushes out from this range, it would have lapped around that standard. And then that will take a while for it to push above it and all of the rejection stops and pushing back towards our build up level again. And that will take several times. That will take several hours. That will take several hours. So and then we can't sell on this thing because like, yeah, you already know why we can't sell on this stuff either. So guys, because of that, let's leave silver. But then our gold is almost tapping on our first take profit. It's just not tapping yet. It's almost tapping. Let's okay, Nasdaq is pushing towards the level. Take note of that. For silver, should I just give you like a buy what's it called now? A buy stop or something? Should I give you like a buy stop? So when it hits that level, you should be able to just like catch it up. I just drop like a buy stop. Is there any need for a buy stop? Will you take the trade if I give you as a buy stop? Will you monitor it and okay, it's fine. Don't worry. Let's check out US30. Let's check out US30. I'm just thinking you might not go into the trade when it hit the buy stop. You might forget or something. So let's just look for a live trade here. Let's look for a live trade. BTC, let's leave BTC for now, except guys start recommending that. Let's check what guys are recommending. I saw US30, so let's check it out. Instead of asking again, we might as well just check what guys are requesting for. Okay, that moved. That moved actually for us. Yeah, just been consolidating right on a 4 hours time frame. So repetitions, a lot of indecision just going on here. But aside from that, overall we're having a nice uptrend, right? Nice one, not bad at all. So yeah, nice uptrend. The chart is currently at the top here, and then it's just stuck around a range of rejections. So if you can see into the future, we can't know if this stuff is going to get rejected again or not. Right? The only reason that can make us go into this stuff is when we get a standard breakout above this our rejection level, and then we have to use our B of B again, that's our breakout of breakout to confirm it. Then we can understand that the chart wants to fly. Aside from that, we can go into this trade only if we can see into the future, right? Which I don't think we can, right? So yeah, we can't really do much on this stuff. It's crazy because silver is not giving us a good formation. Uh, Nasdaq is yet to get fully completed, and now US30 is actually not giving us anything. So we are stuck with our gold, which is still in profit, but it's refusing to hit our TP1, at least on live here. I'm actually so happy because TP2 at least has been hit on our private channel, right? TP2 has been hit on private channel. I think I'm even going to drop an update later to lock in the profit again, like track SL towards the highs again. That way we'll be having a ratio of around maybe like 7 or so if we kill the entire stop loss or something. But I'll check it out. I'm not very sure exactly, but I'll check it out. But yeah, so that was what we're left with. Guys, suggest another chart we can check out. Let's see. Suggest another chart. Suggest another chart we can check out, guys. What other charts do you think we can check out? What other chart, guys? Okay, should I check out? Okay, wait. I already checked out all the charts that guys wants us to check. Nasdaq, US30, silver. So what else? What else can we check? Because we still have just one trade running on gold. What else do you want to check out, guys? What else? What else? I can see EU here. So I think it's just one person that is requesting for that. Okay, two. I can see. I think that's like no, sorry, that's just one person. Yeah. So what else? What else, guys? What else can we check out? Guys, as you're joining up, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe, guys. Hit on the like and remember to subscribe. And by the way, on MC100, Mentorship course 100 that is coming up, I think after the mentorship, we'll try running like live trading session, yeah. And some of these guys will run live trading for maybe like a week or something. Yeah, they are just going to use exact same strategy to run the stuff. So I might just allow them run the because yeah, I might just allow them to run like the live trading for like a week or something. Because they should be able to. Yeah. I just thought of it now actually. I just thought of it because I wanted to run that for the last season, season 7, but we couldn't because during that period I was literally everywhere. I think I was in between like 4 different countries or so. I was just everywhere during that period, so I couldn't. I went home to Nigeria, and from there I was in SA, and from there I was at Belarus, and then I was in Russia. I think I was in Germany. I think I was in around 4 or 5 different countries during that period. So the time just wasn't enough to do that live trading. I wanted to do it, so the time just wasn't enough during that period. So because of that, I was like, okay, it's fine. It's fine. So I think for this season, I think we'll do it. I think we'll do it because I'm still kind of like available. I'm not like traveling around now. So yeah, I'm not like on the well, I'm on the move, but it's not as bad. It's pretty normal, pretty normal, pretty normal. Okay, guys, let's check out EU then. Let's check out Euro USD. Let's check out Euro USD. Let's see if we can get a trade on Euro USD also. Let's see if we can get a trade on Euro USD also. Okay, let's check out Euro USD also. Let's see. By the way, yeah, silver is still there. A US30 is still here. A Nasdaq is still here. Well, a Nasdaq still looks good though. Come to think of it, you know, if you can, it can easily just hit this level and push above it. If it just like picks up on some nice volatility now, it can easily just hit this level, and then we'll be having a second trade. Like, think about it, guys. It can easily just hit this level if some nice momentum just hits the chart now, like some nice liquidity stuff just hit the chart. So we can expect to hit this level, and from there we can zoom into the trade. Okay. So let's sacrifice this for Euro USD. Oh, I don't have Euro USD. Yeah, interest. Okay, I do. Okay. Let's see for us. All 24 trains. No, I'm not doing that. Oh, okay, it's fine. I just remove this. Okay. Let's see, what are we having? So on 4 hours time frame. Let's see. Let's see. Hold up, guys. Hold up. Just a second. Okay. So I think we're good. I think we're good. Stop just hit 40K, and now he doesn't want to cross over that. Hit 40K, and now we don't want to. Now we don't. He doesn't want to cross above that for some reason, but it's okay. It's okay. All right. So let's look at our Euro USD now. Let's see. Let's see 4 hours. What's 4 hours saying? What's 4 hours saying? Doesn't look bad towards the highs, and we can see that it just came back to the top on our level there, right? And then, by the way, this type of level that you're seeing here, this type is what we call standard mitigation, right? Yeah, this very one, like this very one that you can see, right? Yeah. And if it pushes up towards around this, drops down towards around this range, is also within our formation, right? We call that a confirmed mitigation. It's just like a standard. On this zone, we should be expecting some spikes. It's almost inevitable, like at least on backtests, that if it comes to this range, which might not happen. You know, sometimes the chart just becomes generous, and then it goes to some really obvious levels. And then on those levels, if you're lucky to see the chart when it's around those levels, most times levels like that don't just happen on a platter. They can happen when you are sleeping. So they can just tap there and then zoom off. It's more like what happened on gold. I dropped the analysis yesterday. I think it was around 9 p.m. GMT plus 3, yeah. And then it was a gap that was supposed to get closed. I mentioned that it was supposed to get closed, right? And after it gets closed, it's going to push up, and from there we're going to go into the trade, which we did this morning because everything happened. The only problem is that stuff tapped on that very level. Guess what time? At around 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. or so, GMT plus 3. You see, except you're not on GMT plus 1 or GMT plus maybe like 0, like just normal GMT, or maybe like GMT plus maybe, yeah, except maybe you're not around that time. You get my point, right? Except maybe by your own time it's not midnight, which Yeah, yeah, except if it wasn't midnight, then it's good. But for most guys, that was midnight, and until just when just tapped and then left. So by the time you open your eyes, it's already out of that level. So similar stuff can happen. Levels like this, they don't come on platters, they happen at night. Only institutions catch levels like that. So don't hope on it, right? Don't hope. You can just admire them, except you want to open your eyes and just be staring at the chart, right? Okay. So technically, this is what we're having now. From our realistic stuff now, this is what we're having. Tapped on these are normal standard mitigation. And from here, we can already see that the chart got rejected here. We don't know if it's going to come here, like I was saying. So if we look at our standard trend, we can also see that it seems like it has pushed above. But let's try confirming that on a 1 hour time frame. Let's try confirming that. If we confirm that now, let's see. Confirm that now. We'll be having something. By the way, how's our gold going? Yeah, she just started. It has gone back to break even. So if you are just joining now, you can. If you are just coming to this live session now, you can actually join up. You're very lucky. Just wait back to our break even right around this zone. Yeah, so actually pretty lucky. Okay, so from here now, what you're looking at is something like this. But then we also, just a second, we also have a standard around this range. Standard around this range. Oh, pretty nice also. A first standard, second also. Okay, pretty nice. So what other level can we consider? This, which, well, it's pretty much almost around that zone, yeah. Pretty much. We can go into this trade actually. Might be a little bit of a risky trade, but it's not an impossible trade. If you take risk here, you might be able to go into this trade. Now the only risk is because it has not tapped on a dense support, which is now a resistance level. It has not tapped. So it's a little bit of a risky trade. Let me highlight that so that it's visible for everyone. It's just around this region, just this. So yeah, this level is yet to take off above this. If it takes off above this, we are not bothered about this anymore because anything that can happen is to just bounce back here because this will not be a support, right? So it just bounce around here and then take off. So we are not really concerned about this one at the top. We're only concerned about this. Only concerned about this. The internal here is also negligible because it has been broken a billion times already. So nobody cares about the internal here also. Okay. Yeah, we can't really go into this trade as it is. Unfortunately, also we can't on EURUSD. But one thing I can do on EURUSD, I'll give you a buy limit. That's if it happens. That if it doesn't get rejected and drop down. So I'm going to give you a buy limit on this stuff instead. Let's do a buy limit. Let's do a buy limit instead. Let's do a buy stop. Sorry, a buy stop. A buy limit. A buy stop. Okay. Let's see. So we'll be targeting just around this range for our buy stop. That's if it happens. If it happens, right? Now I just want to give it to you in case maybe you're available, you're trading, and then you see it. This would be our buy stop, right? This would be a buy stop. Okay, let's just make it 1.6 since it's something that is a buy stop already. So this will be a buy stop. This will be a buy stop. Yeah. So this would be a nice buy stop. So on a buy stop, we are targeting around this range. For what? Guys, you know what a buy stop when it's pushes up to hit a level or anything, when it pushes up towards this level, let me highlight that. That will be 1.18500, right? 1.18500, right? Let's pronounce that correctly. So this would be okay. I don't want to use that since it's this. Let me just write it. This would be our TP1. I'm thinking on Okay, I want to go on 1.7. Just a second. Yeah, we're still good. We're still good. 1.7. 1.7 is good. 1.7 is good. So 1.7, that was our TP1. This would be our TP2. To be our TP2. So guys, watch out for this region 1.18. Here's so 1.18500. So this is 1.18502. So adjust that, guys. I think, yeah, my bad. I didn't notice that. Sorry. And then this would be TP3. That will be our TP3. By the way, how's our good going? How's our good going? Is it still retracing? Is it still around our break even? So this would be our SL. Guys, remember it's just that it will take a while for you to tap on this zone. So instead, I'm just giving you like the buy stop of it. So if it happens that it gets to this, it might not because the condition is not done. But by the time it gets here, all the conditions would have been completed. So if it gets completed, you have a buy stop, then you should be able to catch the movement towards TP1, 2, and 3, right? If everything plays according to plan, right? So yeah, basically this is just it. I think that's pretty visible. Everything is pretty much visible, yeah. That's for our Euro USD. For our gold, what's going on? Yeah, gold is still just around our break even. Our gold is still just around our break even. Nothing so clear yet. Let me just drop an update anyway here so that those in the free channel can actually join up also somehow. Maybe those that couldn't like really join up on this live trading session. Let me see if I can drop an update for them. That is. Let me see if I can drop an update for them. So let's see. It's like 4939. So guys, okay, just a second. By the way, always remember to use proper risk management, guys. Always remember. And also, if you are just joining up, here, you know that you can actually join up on this trade. You're actually very lucky because this stuff is actually still on our break even, almost tapped on our first take profit, and then it went to our break even. So you're actually very, very lucky. Very, very lucky actually. So from the current stuff without rejection, it seems like it's heading to our TP1 now, actually. So you're very lucky. You're actually very lucky. So that was like 5,047. I'm trying to update those in our free channel also so they are not left behind. All right. Okay. So technically, this is it, right? This is it. This is it. Okay, guys. So I guess the time for a live trading session is up now, right? Someone is saying that why does silver have more profits than gold? Like, why does silver have more profit than gold? Well, it's majorly because of the P ratio difference, right? Or we can call it OZ also, right? So that also like involves, but it's not really like it has more profits. Well, technically it's not because gold is more valued than silver, right? It's more valued than silver. It's not like it has more profits. It's just the lot size difference and pips difference that maybe it's like Gold is way more value than silver, like way more value. You can't even compare it. It's like, how many times is that even, guys? If you okay, let's assume that it has gotten to like, okay, let's assume that it's on, let's say 100 or something, right? What's the exact value currently even? What's the exact value? I think it's like, let's see. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know it hasn't gotten to 100. I think the max was like 90. Wait. I think it hit 100 then, right? What am I saying? It did hit 100 then now. I almost forgot. So let's say it's 120. 120, right? Let's use the highest stuff. Let's not use the highest value of gold, which was 5,600. Let's use the highest value of silver to the lowest value currently. That's the current value of gold. That's like, you can compare those, right? So yeah, so gold is way more than silver. It's not something that you can compare, right? The only thing that is making you feel like that is just the pip difference, the pip ratios, and all of those stuffs, right? So that's it. Somebody say, are you going to hold this trade? Of course I'm going to hold it. We have on our private channel, we have a thought take profit that is yet to be hit. Like, you're not in the public group. I dropped the update there. Our first and second take profit has been hit. So now it's doing its normal retracement, which is very normal. We expected it. It's not like it's, yeah. So of course we are holding the trade. Where are we going to? Like, we don't waste pips here. We don't waste pips here, guys. We don't waste pips here. We don't waste pips here. We don't waste pips here, guys. So I guess this is what we're still having on our gold. I'm trying to wait for it to hit like that first take profit first, but seems like it's taking a while. It seems like it's taking a while. It seems like it's taking a while. How about our Eurusd? Wasn't it? So Eurusd might push into a buy stop. So just watch out. And then US30 seems like it got rejected. Let's crash this stop to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's really going on. Oh, just same thing. Like, just exact same thing that's happening there. Okay, let's see US100. US100 pushed up, but it failed. You can see that pushed up a bit, but failed again. Got rejected, and now it's, excuse me, guys. So now it's just at the bottom there again. Or else we check this, we check this. Okay, still okay. Yeah, we checked it just now, and now we're having gold. So guys, basically that's it. Nothing much we can do now. So as the stock progresses, I think I'll just have to like, drop updates maybe later or something, right? I think I might just have to maybe drop updates later or something. Not very sure, but yeah, guys, as you're here, remember to hit on the like and remember to subscribe. Is there any other chart you want us to quickly check out, guys? Let's look for a quick trade. Is there any other chart you want us to quickly check out before we round up here? Is there any chart you want us to quickly check out? Let's see. You never know. We might just get an extra trade for that, and that will be it. Is there any chart you want us to quickly check out? Like, just quickly go in, check it out, and zoom out. Is there any chart you want us to quickly check out? Is there any chart you want us to quickly check out? Okay. Okay, guys. So the time, let's just leave it then. Since we've checked out a lot of charts today, let's just leave it then like that, right? Or should you just check out? Okay, let's see UJ. It's fine. Let's quickly check out UJ. Let's just quickly check out UJ. So our chart is still on a break even. Let's quickly check out UJ. Let's use let's see. Let's use US30 for that. Let's check out UJ. Let's see. Also on USD GPY. Let's just quickly check it out and see. Okay. Okay, we can't go into UJ, right? We can't, because we can see our highest level here, highest level here. And if we map it out, you can see that this just tapped on it, meaning that it actually can get easily rejected below the zone. So something like this, in case you don't fully understand what I mean, just something like this, right? So yeah, so you can see the first, you can see the second, you can see these also, which are these like the third is the fourth. And so this being the fifth means that this level is extremely weak, we know, but you can't actually deny this a level that is actually at the bottom also, right? So meaning that it can get rejected here and then just drop back down to our internal resistance here, right? So because of that, we can't really go into UJ. We can't. So seems like today we are stuck with gold, right? We are stuck with gold. And from here, we just see how it goes. So I'll drop updates as regards how the stuff flows in our free channel. I'll drop updates. But for now, been waiting for this stuff to just push up. But it's okay. It's okay. We'll just end this live session like this now. And if you're just joining up, you can actually join this trade. You can actually join up on a trade. Right? On gold, it means you are very lucky because it's still just around break even, right? But on the private channel, of course, like we're almost hitting a well, it's not like we're almost hitting a thought take profit because it's retracing now, right? So the next push that happens will be hitting our thought take profit, right? Because we joined this trade since morning. So guys, that's it for now. Remember to subscribe on Mentorship Course 100. You can easily just check in the description box there, guys. You can easily just subscribe. You can check in the description box there, or you can scan the QR code there now. It's just beside the screen. And you can easily just subscribe. So just 100 slots available for that. Yeah, just 100 slots. So guys, basically that is it from for me for today. It's a bye for me, guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.
Yeah. Lambo, faster, Nasdaq, making that money like Elon Musk. FX, Forex, big money, T-Rex, any which way we making the green. That's what they say, me and my G's, we work as a team. That's what they say, yeah. I got meta, trader, MP5. I got a chart at an all-time high. I got blue, green, yellow, black, yeah. Tell me which one you want, yeah. I got the Lambo, G-Wagon, Lambo. Off gold on you, go like Rambo, yeah. You niggas joking, you niggas pee. Keep pushing that beat. Yeah, just show me the way, no waste that beat. Just give me the light, give me the what? Give me the light, yeah. Just give me the light about that life. Yeah. You know how it is. Yeah. Chart looks green, my eyes turn red. Making lots of investments, we ain't wasting beat. I keep making that paper, I make it from my bed. Finger on the trigger, my bad.